What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're talking about kicks.
We are talking about kicks, and we are talking about our top 5 kicks for fall. We're in that season. Just wanted to take a look at our collection, see what shoes we have that just, just vibe for the fall season.
Yeah.
That nice toasty, like starting to get like crisp weather a little bit, leaves turning. And we're gonna go through a few things.
And to give y'all some suggestions too.
That's right. But before we get into that, if it's your first time here, Nigel, what should they do?
Y'all need to ring that notification bell.
Whoa, bell. Yeah, ring the bell. Hit that subscribe, that notification button, so you can stay on top of our new content as we bring it to you. We really appreciate that. And now that that's out of the way, we're gonna get into it. It is in no particular order. And let's see, I'm gonna let you go first, son.
I'm gonna let you go first.
Okay, I'll go first then.
Okay.
Cool. I just said, all right, we're not gonna fight over it. In no particular order or anything like that, but just some shoes that we have that are just great fall shoes.
Yeah.
I'll pull out this first one, which is one of my loves. It is the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze.
Yes.
I feel like fall season, there's gonna be probably a theme here. Like fall season, you're starting to get like into like the browns and earth tones, greens, things like that. It's just that it looks like those leaves, right?
Yeezy season.
Yeezy, yeah, Yeezy. Yeezy is cloth. Yeah.
Earth tones.
Earth tones, that's true. Yeah, Yeezy is all earth tones all the time.
Yeah.
But the Taupe Haze, this is like, of course, cargo pants, khakis, jeans, whatever. But it definitely speaks fall to me. What about you? You like the Taupe Haze?
I agree completely, yes.
Yeah?
This is, brown, red, that's definitely fall colors.
Yeah, and black, like, you're not going out, you're not super bright and colorful. It's like you're going a little more muted, right? All right.
And all that aside, it's really just a beautiful shoe. Because I can't lie, this shoe right here, this Taupe Haze Jordan 4, is really what gave me a love for Jordan 4s. Because at first, I wasn't really feeling the 4s that these dropped.
You sure weren't.
I was like, hold on. These is magnificent, you know what I'm saying?
They what?
I was like, these are expeditious.
Yes.
So since then, I've been a big Jordan 4 lover. Yeah. Because of these. So
right, because I had 4s before. You didn't love them. Like I think I got the Union 4s. You were like, okay.
The Union 4s.
Yeah.
I actually love those.
Oh, sorry. All right, but I know I had those before I had these. But I know you love these particularly. You've spoken about these a bunch of times.
I know. I'm just looking at you like this because those Union 4s were really tough, and I'm like,
oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
You give me side eye.
Yeah. It's okay. You
my
the
own
shoe guy.
son. My own son.
It's cool. It's cool. Hey.
I think I got those Union 4s. You were still just worrying about playing Fortnite.
I probably was. You're right.
You weren't caring about sneakers.
Right.
So maybe we just started. All right.
All right.
So Taupe Haze 4s for show. All right, Nigel, your turn. What you got?
Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you something good, but I'm gonna save the best for last. So stay tuned. But for now, I'm gonna give you the Nike Dunk.
Yeah.
Halloween Spooky Ookie.
The Spooky Dunks.
Whatever colorway this is called.
Yeah, it's the Halloween dunk, right?
Yeah.
This is definitely saying fall.
Literally.
For sure. You got Halloween colors.
You got orange, black, white, Halloween print. You got scary, spooky eyes all over.
Right, glow in the dark soul.
They used to glow in the dark.
They did. You just got to charge them up in the sun. The bright lights charge them up, so that if you turn the lights off, then they glow more. You didn't know that. I showed you that when you got them, man. Pay attention.
So if I just let these cook out in the sun for a minute, they can just get their whole glow in the dark back?
Yeah. And then you take them in the house, turn the lights off, they'll be like, yeah, that's how they work.
I didn't know you could charge a glow in the dark.
Yeah, like you can do it probably from here if we turn all the lights off.
You can just charge that?
Essentially, that's how how that works.
That's awesome. So yeah, that's why these shoes are tough right here. Top 5 fall shoes for sure.
And they're like good. This is like a premium dunk, so it's got like the better leathers and materials on it.
Yeah.
And all, like you said, all of the eyes and everything. Which, it's a fire dunk, man.
Yeah, it is. But I gotta tell you, it is very crease prone, so when you're walking, be careful because you get one crease in these and it's not going away.
Yeah, essentially dunks you can't really wear and worry about the creases for real. True, it's like impossible to not crease dunks.
That's
so you just gotta kind of roll with it.
It's painful once you realize that on the wrong shoe.
Next up, again, staying in theme, we're going a little more on the brown tip. But this was a little more colorful. This is the Nike Dunk Social Status Free Lunch Chocolate Milk. Now, I say this for fall, definitely not for winter, because you got the velour accents and things like that. Yeah. Which, are tough to clean. Yeah. But I think for fall, I'm keeping protected on it. But actually, I got a little situation that happened here. Just the brown. the brown, man, from that, like, kind of dug into that part of my shoe and it gave me a stain.
Jeez.
And I have not dug in there to try to get it out because I'm scared I'll mess the material up.
That is,
yeah, so do y'all have any suggestions on how I can get that out, man? Because this is really bugging me.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I love this shoe so much. This is a Whitaker group, Alma Mater, Social Status, collab, you know, from James Whitner and crew. Love the story, love the shoe. You know, one of my favorite dunks in the collection is Dunk Mid. But yeah, got to get that clean.
This is nice.
But I do think, you know, fall vibes, you think? You agree with that?
Yeah, I think it is fall vibes. I do kind of think it peaks into winter a little bit because it does have the blue line at the bottom with the blue sole.
And the velour is kind of like a warm, that's like a thicker material too.
Right, that too, you know, it really warms the shoe up.
All right.
It warms your feet up.
Warms the shoe and warms your feet.
You know, so I think it is fall, kind of a little bit in the winter.
Yeah.
November,
yeah. Not December, January. Because once snow hits the ground, forget about it. Because this velour be cooked, be just fried, just destroyed. So, yeah, that's another entry from me. Nigel, you're up.
All right,
what you got for the people, man?
I'm ready to come to y'all with... I'm gonna just stop the show altogether.
Oh, boy. Do it, man. Just do it.
I'm gonna hit y'all with this haymaker. All right? You want to talk about fall vibes?
Fall vibes. We got some heat for you.
I got some heat. This ain't heat.
Heat rocks.
It's that blue fire.
Inferno.
Enfuego.
Incinerator.
Ooh.
My man dropped the Cactus Jack.
The Cactus G's.
SB Dunk.
SB.
Yeah, these are hot, man. Hot like fire. I don't have a pair of these, and I do love them. But I looked out for my son when I was able to get my hands on a pair.
I do appreciate it because these are really definitely. I honestly think these are my favorite shoe in my collection.
I mean, I think they should be.
I agree.
They're really hot.
Yeah.
You know, you just changed out the laces recently, right? Put the rope laces in.
I put the rope laces in.
It gives it a different look.
Yeah, I like this too.
Yeah.
This is an amazing shoe, man. Like the colors, fall, of course, brown. You wear these with, you know, some cargos. You can wear it with the brown cargos, the black cargos. You got like a plaid button up. You know what I'm saying? The yellow. You can wear it with that. It's just amazing, man. Yeah,
it's definitely good. It's a good fall vibe shoe. And it's like the thick padding and stuff, keep your feet warm. And you got corduroy too around this material.
Yup.
This is definitely like cooler weather. I mean, you wear them in the summer too, but that might be a hot shoe to wear in the summer for real.
I wear these. Right. To be honest.
Right, you do. Yeah. Even with the corduroy, it's like whatever. Yeah, so definitely a hot shoe, man. I mean, I love those. So yeah, that's Nigel's. That's definitely burning the whole set down with these.
I know.
Because the next ones I have aren't quite as hot, but they're hot to me.
That's okay, Dad. That's okay.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I mean, this is tough, but I'm not like, I don't feel bad for you. Because your collection, you got some stuff that's like, you know what I'm saying? This is nothing to.
I got you.
You know what I mean?
Nah, it's all good. It's all love.
Good.
All right, and the last of the five, I can't even call it a trifecta. Five-fecta.
That's tough too.
Is the Air Jordan 3 Patchwork.
Yeah.
For me, these were huge. I really love these. Again, something different. Nike doing something totally different, out of the norm. They went with totally different materials all around this Air Jordan 3. The green and tan vibe was giving me, plus with the orange on the inside, like a flight jacket, was giving me like the Jordan 4 Undefeated vibes, which is like a greenish nubuck all over and has orange on it, but the accents are dope. If y'all seen those, you know what they look like. But this shoe is like perfect for the fall and winter.
It really is.
The canvas like keeps your foot warm. You got a little suede around the mud guard. The colors, you know, again, jeans, cargos, sweats. Yeah, perfect for the fall,
brown,
for the winter time.
Orange, that's fall right there.
And I wore these last winter when we were in New York. We went to New York. We went to the plays and stuff, did some Broadway stuff. These kept my feet nice and toasty in New York, but definitely fall vibes. Let me know, what are y'all thinking of the shoes we have put on screen today?
Let us know.
Are these kind of, you know, y'all vibing with these?
Yeah.
Are these something that you can wrap your head around? You know, definitely fall vibes. What are y'all thinking? And that's about it, right?
I think so.
All right. Well, thanks for hanging out. We'll do this next maybe for the winter time.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next video. Peace.